but I had to bring out the Jamaican Dundada mesh shirt. Y'all already know. I felt hella Jamaican in this shirt right now. Okay. Welcome back to my channel. It's Lexi, and today's video is a chit chat get ready with me. I have some announcements, not really announcements, but whatever. I have some announcements. I want to chit chat. I want to have some questions to ask you guys, and shout out to my new setup. Well, same setup, new equipment or whatever. Give me a thumbs up if it looks freaking bomb, because I think it looks bomb. All of the makeup details will be down below in the box like usual. So first things first, I'm going to prime my face. Okay guys, so I have some things I want to discuss. Yeah, I guess I'll begin the video with some questions about what you guys want to see, because I have an idea. I want to begin doing like Instagram lives, or on YouTube, either doing lives or more just like when I twist my hair at night, when I'm putting makeup on, like right now, to film a video, whatever the case might be. I be just twisting my hair by myself, you know, watching TV, watching movies, or whatever the case might be. So I feel like I should take that time and make videos to like catch up with you guys, talk crap with you guys, do all that kind of stuff. So I want to know, would you guys want me to twist and talk? That's what we're going to call it, twist and talk. Would you want me to do it on YouTube, like around the same time that I post my actual hair tutorial or hair review, product review? Or would you want me to do it on Instagram live? Obviously my audience is bigger on here. Most of you guys just watch my videos. So that's why I wanted to ask you guys, would you actually watch Twist and Talk with Lexi? Like, would y'all want to watch it? And y'all would send me topics, y'all would send me whatever you want to talk about, and we'll discuss it in Twist and Talk. So I'll put a poll up here where the eye is, and I'll also just ask you to comment it down below, because I see the comments way easier than I see the poll results. So comment down below if you want me to do my Twist and Talk on Instagram live, or if you prefer to watch it at your own leisure on my channel. And if you're not following me on Instagram, can you go do that right now? Like, can you just go down below, click the link, and go to my Instagram and follow me? Like, can we do that? Yeah, thanks. And regardless of what happens in the voting, I'll probably do both. I want to be getting on Instagram live more often, so I'll probably, you know, do a live every now and again if most of you guys vote for YouTube, and we'll just see what happens from there. I had a interesting, uncomfortable, upsetting run-in with a police officer last weekend, and let's talk about it. Okay, let's discuss this. And I want to make this video about talking, a dialogue, so comment down below obviously if you have experienced anything like this, and we'll have a chit chat in the comment section. So you guys have seen KJ on my channel multiple times before. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Not that bad?
No.
Oh, okay. You're a liar. You're a liar.
Okay.
This shit ain't no joke. You died?
Basically, I was driving KJ to the airport in Miami, and a cop pulled me over for speeding. So he pulled me over, and like, he was on my tail. I'm sorry, this is like a more chit chat talking thing, so I may or may not drop a little bit of curse words every now and again, so if you're watching with kids or if you don't like cursing, then, you know, I apologize. Okay, so anyways, he was on my ass. Like, he was really on me, like, for real. And I was like, okay, so I pulled over because I was in the second, like, I was all the way to the left, and there was nowhere to pull over on the left side, so I had to go to the right on the highway across about 2 lanes of traffic to get to the right side and pull over. I guess he thought I was gonna take off on him. I don't know, but that was the last thing on my mind. Like, what do I look like? Definitely not. So I was reaching into my glove compartment to get my paperwork for the officer. Side note, I have a 2018 white 2-door coupe. I bought this car in December, actually. So it's a new car and it looks like a new car. I love it. I'm grateful for it. It's just like been a blessing because my last car was like falling apart and ruining my life and my checks. So I was very happy to finally go out on this and purchase my car. He pulled me over and another car showed up, another extra cop car showed up. So yeah, now it's like 4 p.m. broad daylight. He proceeds to walk up to my car with one hand on his weapon, and he opens my passenger side door, looks in the car and says to KJ, "What were you reaching for?" So KJ and I, we both just like what? Like, it was just a complete like, okay. And then he's like, "I didn't reach for anything." And then he was like, "Oh, I saw you putting something underneath the seat. I saw you reaching under the seat, trying to hide something," or whatever the case might be. He was like, "No, I didn't move, sir." So then I said, I reached over and got my paperwork. Like, it's in my hand at the moment. I gave it to him, it was right there in my hand. I look over to my left, it was a cop, a lady cop right there. Did not say a word. Did not even see her. Jumped when I saw her. I was like, what the hell? Like, okay, there's mad cops here now, like in my mind, because I'm just already a paranoid person. I'm very anxious. I'm black. He goes to his car, you know, with paperwork, and obviously the car is mine. The car is in my name. So I believe that he like gave her like a signal, like, all right, like there is her car. They ain't Bonnie and Clyde. You can leave. And she literally skirted off. I was like, okay, this man already has a pretense that we some criminals, okay, and that like he needs to be on guard. I have been pulled over about 4 or 5 times in my life, and I have never had an officer walk up to my car with their hand on their weapon and open up my door. But I've also never been pulled over while having a black male in the car with me, and I think that made a huge difference, you know. But this is all speculation. But if you're black, you know it really ain't, but you know, it's neither here nor there. So he comes back quite fast, because I mean the car, I mean, yeah, they come back quite fast because I mean it's my car, it's insured, and yeah, like it's nothing else to be done. So he came right back with my ticket. Woo, I was pissed off. So I'm still pissed off about that ticket, but so he comes to my window now and he leans on the window, which I'm big on respect. That's, to me, opening my door, asking what he's reaching for. I forgot he also asked me where I was going. And then he came to my window and now he's resting on my car. Like, what's happening here? This is my car. I bought it. Why are you resting your body on my car? Like, you know, but in these situations, it's always best to keep your mouth shut. And that's unfortunate. That's just how it goes. We all know that. If I didn't already know that this was a racially charged encounter, I learned that by what he said to me whilst leaning on my car window. So he's leaning on my door and he says, "I've been an officer for 33 years and I'm gonna give you some advice. When you're being pulled over, don't do anything suspicious, don't do anything that would make me feel uncomfortable." He's like, "The reason these things happen," comment down below what you think he meant by these things. I already know, but comment down below what you think he meant by these things. "The reason these things happen is because people are acting suspicious and they make the officers feel uncomfortable and get on guard. When I pulled you over and he was reaching underneath the seat and doing whatever around the car, I was uncomfortable and now I have to be on guard." So I'm still not speaking because I'm just like, what are you doing? Give my ticket and go on. Like, why are you even still here? And he says, "Oh, my friend KJ was like, I didn't reach for anything." He's like, "Oh, I saw you reaching under the seat." Again, I'm quiet because I'm 38, hot. And I'm thinking, if you deadass saw this man hiding a gun, hiding some drugs, hiding whatever, you would have every right to ask us to get out of the car and search my shit. If you really saw this man hiding whatever, you would have had a probable cause to search my shit. I'm just not speaking. And then he says, so yeah, blah, blah, word of advice, just when the cops pull you over, just, you know, don't act suspicious, don't do anything that make the cops uncomfortable, blah, 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 blah. I looked at him and said, okay, like, are we done or are we finished? Like, I have my ticket, goodbye. It was very, very uncomfortable to have someone in your space and you can't do nothing about it but sit and shut the f up. I don't like that feeling. I'm sure no one on this planet likes that feeling, but no one knows the feeling more than black people. And I have been pulled over, like I said, a few times in my life. I've never experienced anything. He came to my car on some like, these ain't about shit. Okay, this ain't her car. They're going too fast. What's the dealio with these right here? He came to the car with that pretense and I was just really, really freaking, I was shocked. And I'm gonna tell you why. So I've been thinking about this, you know, for a couple days now, clearly. And I realized this video isn't a bashing police video. There are people that are racist in every facet of life. People that are racist all over. Teachers, doctors, nurses, people are racist in all walks of life. But when you have an officer who essentially feels as if they have power over you and they can take your life or seriously injure you, it definitely is a very different power gap. If you have a racist teacher, you're not gonna die. You don't get shot, you know? And him coming to my car on guard, opening my door, thinking that KJ was about some shit that he's even about. He could have got shot that day. You hear about people getting killed by the police. You hear about brutality. You hear about these things. And we know it's real life out here. Who knows where these things could have gone. And that's really how I left feeling like, damn, it's really that simple. He has to feel uncomfortable and it's a wrap, you know? And that really has been like messing with me mentally for the past like couple days. The fact that I felt uncomfortable, that I was afraid, you know, nobody cares about that because at the end of the day, the officer's safety is more important to the American people than the life of its citizens, you know? And that right there, like I know cops get killed all the time. At the same time, I should not be getting pulled over for speeding and thinking that I could anger this man or this man is threatened by how I just simply look because I'm just brown as hell. You know, this man really just feels like he was threatened. Comment down below, let me know if you've had any experiences that are similar to mine, or if you haven't, or how you feel. I wanted to make this channel not like solely beauty, like, oh, everything beauty, everything hair, makeup. I am like a multifaceted person. I mean, we all are. And I just want this channel to be more like a place you come and just chit chat about beauty, about life, pop culture, whatever. I mean, I won't do too much like, you know, reactions, blah, 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 stuff like that. But I want this to be like a, we come and we kiki, you know? And I called my whole phone list when the cop pulled me over and acted crazy. I called everybody I knew. So I'm letting y'all know now what happened to me and how crazy it was, because I thought it was really freaking crazy. So I have some more stuff. My under eye is like, I look like I have bags under my eyes and I don't know why it's like that. It's pissing me off. So also guys, if you're still watching, I am going to be in the DMV April 6th through the 8th. And I'm going to be at this event, I'll put it on the screen, the It's a Curl thing at McDaniel College Natural Hair Conference with Casey Aaliyah, with Nate Too Curly, and with I Am Treya. It's gonna be popping. So let me know if you're in the area, if you want to hang out, if you want to come see me, if you want to chit chat, have a drink, whatever. Let me know so we can, like, you know, coordinate it in the DMs. I'm actually really hyped to meet some new people. I'm really hyped just to travel, and I'm going alone. My under eye, like I have a bruise. Like, what's going on there? I don't understand. I have mad anxiety about traveling alone. Like, you don't understand. Not traveling alone, about being alone in a new place. I'm just like, oh my God, like, am I going to make friends? Am I gonna be social enough? I have anxiety about that like you wouldn't believe, but it's happening, so I don't have a choice but to make it work. So like I said, DM me if you are in the DMV. Mainly I'll be in Maryland, and if you want to just, you know, chill, come to the event. So now let's talk about me hitting 10K. It's happening any day now, and I could not be more excited, obviously. And I'm going to do a live on YouTube. We're gonna have giveaways. I'm gonna like get some friends together and have like a game night and just like put it on live and just shoot the shit, literally. It's gonna be lit. So make sure you're subscribed. Like, make sure right now that you are subscribed. I don't know why I'm putting this gold liner on my eyes. I had like an urge to do it, even though my freaking under eye looks janky as hell. This might distract you guys from my under eye and draw attention to above my eye. I appreciate you guys so much, like you don't even understand. Y'all engagement is the reason why things are going so well on this channel. I just really freaking appreciate it. And if you've been here for a while, you're a real one, and I really appreciate you. I like this liner. It's extra. But what am I if not extra? Like, y'all already know. So for my lips, I'm going to line my lips and then get up out of here and record my takedown of my hair and all that. Okay guys, this is my finished look. I will leave everything down below, my lip color, everything will be down below. So check down there to see what I have on my face. Check down there for other videos. Let me know if you want me to do my twist and talk on IG Live or on YouTube when I post my like hair videos, like, you know, that same week. Let me know down below what you prefer. Subscribe, obviously, like the video. You guys don't know how much likes really help my video get seen, help me get seen, help me reach 10K. Like, you know, we are the family around here. Comment down below and let me know if you've had an awkward or unfortunate or an upsetting cop experience. This had to be my worst cop experience, and people have gone through way worse with the police than I have, obviously, but I realized how quickly things can escalate when an officer has a mindset about who you are before he even like approaches you. We'll discuss it down below. Video is mad long. Thank you for watching it. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Thank you.